Issues and confusion remain as some Minnesota school resource officers still aren't back in schools.
The Minnesota Attorney General tried to ease concerns regarding a new law on SRO conduct, yet a lot of people still concerned. Chief Political Reporter Tom Hauser spoke with Keith Ellison today, and he joined us from the newsroom. Tom?
Kevin, some school resource officers have gone back. Some police departments won't go back until a new state law is changed. Although the Attorney General tried to allay concerns of law enforcement with what he calls a binding opinion, he says a contradictory opinion from the Hennepin County attorney was not helpful. Where does it stand right now? Attorney General Keith Ellison is clarifying once again that in his opinion, school resource officers can act the way they have in the past without fear of being successfully sued if they restrain a student.
They're able to use reasonable force. That's the simplest, most straightforward thing.
That's already in law.
Right. It's already in law, 60906. And look, and the 60906 is based on the United States Constitution. My thing is, if an officer is in good faith trying to break up a fight and maintain safety, that officer is very well in very good shape and should not worry.
The confusion came from a new state law passed in the education bill last May. Many police departments read it to mean they would open themselves to lawsuits if they restrain a student in any way. And I'll just read some of it because it gets very convoluted. Places pressure on the weight of the head, throat, neck, chest, lungs, sternum, diaphragm, back, or abdomen, so on and so on. In the heat of battle, it's hard for a police officer to go, okay, what part of the body am I on right now? Sure. Do you understand the confusion?
I completely understand why there's confusion.
Ellison issued 2 binding opinions telling law enforcement they can use reasonable force already allowed under state law. When Hennepin County Attorney Mary Moriarty issued her own opinion differing from Ellison's, it offered a new layer of confusion.
Some individuals' of interpretation might be an interesting conversation, but it's not binding. And so I would just urge everyone in Hennepin County to rely on the guidance of the Attorney General's office, which they can trust.
Are you concerned, in your view, did she muddy the issue?
It was not helpful.
Now, Governor Walz says he is unlikely to call a special session based on the Attorney General's opinion. He thinks that's good enough. You can see the entire interview with the Attorney General on At Issue at 10 a.m. on Sunday. Kevin?
Okay, Tom Hauser, some blunt words from the Attorney General.
That's going to be an interview to watch.